Good morning. Today is Monday, October 20th, 2025. We're here at Doctor's Lake, and this is Birdhouse. We went ahead, we took off the bolts for your port side prop, or for your port side outdrive zinc, refinagled the wires, and tightened up all the prop, or the zinc bolts. And then we went ahead and we were able to get another one of the broken bolts out of your starboard side prop, or outboard zinc, outdrive zinc. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a quick video and show you what they both currently look like now. We still have one bolt that does need to be tapped out of the starboard one, but everything else is great. We got both of the wires attached, so everything is good there. We will be coming back out to get that fixed for you. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.